Nigel is always here. Yeah, I mean, I guess I was yeah, I was going to stream earlier, but power went out for like 1.5 hours. So yeah, but mm, now I'm live, and I don't know, I'll probably not be streaming for long, so this probably will end up as a short stream. Uh, Probably check Twitch also. 7%. Okay, are you gonna get that? I don't know. 29 days left. It was 29 days left yesterday. Why is it not? Ooh, how many? 8K total? 10% raised. Okay, that's quite a bit. I mean, if you if you can get 10% for every day, then you for sure can get. Uh, no, it's not glitched. Look, it says 8K, and it is 8K total. Uh, it shows how many there are in the goal. I mean, I also didn't get it at first, but I guess yeah. Uh, you're the only one. I think actually, yeah, I think actually not fair. I mean, call other chatters, call Devninia and ask to contribute. Uh, yeah. Anyway, move do overlay in here, and I mean, I guess we need to get. I need to get. Well, we need to get this thing further. So actually, I changed my new Vim config, but I just got so addicted to Helix, so we're gonna do Helix today. Index Markdown. So yeah, I still don't know about traits. Nice, exactly. Like Helix shortcuts are addicting. Who would have thought? Like, it's like actually those are like actually good. I do miss shortcuts like capital C to remove to the end of the line. Uh, yeah, I don't really miss capital S because I can do XC. Wait, why is S? Oh wait, S is select. What's this? What's the search? No, it's select. What is select? What? Um. Oh, so select and selection, and if I select, um, like that. Ooh, and it create. Okay, that's useful, I guess. Yeah. Anyway, go down. Oh wait, it has a theme on top. That's not something that is possible anymore. Well, not really. Um. Okay, so yeah, I need to learn Haskell honestly. Should we do a Haskell stream instead? Change the stream title to learning Haskell. I think we should, because I really need concepts from functional languages. Uh, a surprise. Uh, Or should we do like okay, we probably shouldn't do a camel. I want to start with Haskell or Lisp, honestly. Start my functional journey. I mean, obviously there's no Haskell mode. Um, action. I have an idea. Mathematical Unicode something. Yeah, that's what I need. Learning Haskell. Oh, that's actually, yeah, that's a good point. Lambda. I see, this is lambda, right? uh, should I just do this, or should I say, like instead of emotes, should I do this? uh, like pure title. I miss emotes, colorfulness. Maybe like notepad or something. Mix has a snowflake emote. I also want to learn Lisp, honestly. Okay, let's say this is a good stream title. I'm gonna leave this. Yeah, I want to learn Haskell. I always wanted to learn Haskell. Uh, yeah, this was a good one. Honestly, this was a good one from you. Uh, okay, so to dashboard. Change the title. Well, normally, um, normally, I would not change the title midstream because Twitch will keep the title of a VOD, unfortunately. But fine. Um, we'll keep Rust here, Haskell. Uh, Done. And let me just update messages. Okay, let's do same. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, let's do same for Discord. At everyone. Nope. This decided to learn Haskell. Yeah. Okay. I think we can actually get to it. I really want to also learn Lisp, honestly. By the way, on Bash stack, not this first Bash stack, I would recommend fast.com, by the way, especially for streamers. It doesn't show the IP address unless you click more info. Where okay, did rings just go up? I think it was 260. Okay, we're not getting up quick enough, and I probably won't stream tomorrow and the day after and the day after. So rings might just go on. Okay. So yeah, we need to set stuff up. Learning Haskell. Where do I start? I guess just in here. Ooh, spoilers for today's episode of the Heart of the Universe. Just a quick update on it. Anyway, why is this a wiki page? Place to place where you can go if you want to learn Haskell. Haskell subreddit. No. Matrix. What do you mean? Haskell environment. Okay. Haskell playground. That's. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I think we can go with playground, and not like environment. Yeah, because still, I'll still lose it. There's REPL? Can I have REPL in here? Core tidy. What's that? Wow. Assembly. Awesome code. Run. Okay, so either I want a REPL. I mean, GC, GHCI. Okay, so let's actually just get a terminal here. Which is mkdir Haskell. So okay, Haskell. Close that anyway. Yes, close. Then let me nix run nix packages 3HCI. I'm pretty sure it exists. No, GHC. Okay. GHC and cable install, whatever. My diction today is like bad, really bad. Maybe I should drink more water. Maybe it will improve. I feel like it goes worse. And maybe I should stop switching windows. Shell. Okay, can get a shell out of this. And then I should be able to just do GHCI. Haskell interpreter. Colon question mark. Oh my god, what is that? Is this an operator? I mean, maybe, probably. Okay, so let's make this probably a bit bigger. Is it clear? Not scope. Haskell GHCI clear. Control L. Colon bang. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Let's make it even more bigger. Even bigger. Well, probably not that big. Okay, we'll also keep Haskell playground in here. Can I just remove everything? Is it gonna run? Oh wait, node. The action main. There has to be an action main. Oh. Okay, can I just remove all of that? Do I have to do pass? Is this tab oriented? Excuse me. Do I have to do something like pass? Okay, we'll see. Training course aimed at existing programmers. I am an existing programmer. Process study. Haskell programming language. How do I learn Haskell? Learn Haskell Rust Dev. Where do I start? Is there a Rust book? Oh, wait, Haskell book? uh, for RLDev. Uh, to become. This is not how it works. Um, where do I learn Haskell? As a programmer who knows how to program in a bit of other languages, but now uh, wow. In a bit of other languages, but no no functional language experience. By the way, we're coders chatted today. We're not infinite coder. Uh, bot authentication worked, which is interesting. Okay, so where do I start learning Haskell? Haskell from Rust. What is that? Um, okay, how do I, where do I learn? Um, training course. What is that? Nigel, where do you learn Haskell? Where do you start? I guess something like this. I mean, I got the REPL, and only thing I can do in here. Uh, done. Wrote. Or if you want me to do it here, oh wait, here. Uh, not sure about that. Probably not like that. Okay, let's try to do it blindly. Oh, it worked. What? Why is it working like this? Why can't I just assign? What even is that? How can I just assign this to main? Okay, done. Hello world written. Wait, where's the exclamation point? And here I missed an exclamation point. That's terrible. Oh, that's better. Yeah, I mean, I understand that main is a function, but here it doesn't seem like a function. Height which TD. Yeah, main is an IO monad. What is a monad? Okay, don't tell me what is a monad. I guess we'll get to it eventually. Tree will always validate function call of token 1 with arguments token 2, token 3. I don't know Haskell, listen. We're learning Haskell. I haven't had any experience with functional languages except Nix. And Nix doesn't count. Because I don't even understand it. Okay, writing, first Haskell program. I guess, yeah. Main equals do. What does do? So I guess I can just do this, and then if I do, then it's like a code block. Is it? Yes it is. Can I do, okay, probably should make it a little smaller. Yeah, I guess a code block or something. Can I do same thing in here? Non-decreasing indentation. Okay, how do I write it in here? Oh wait, backslash. No, doesn't work. I can't in interactive. Okay, I guess we're using REPL for something else. Put strln. Oh really? Okay, so put strln. Oh my god, what is this why is this so complex? Stack Overflow page. Can't get to it here. What is that? It's time you can rely on type at first work out signature for you. So this is a function, I guess. Spencer around plans, you can do this. Oh, colon parenthesis. That's interesting. Wow. Main equals to. Oh. I mean, put strln. I guess I did print. Uh, uh, a module header import declaration, top level declaration expected. If I just do 2, C2. Well, makes sense. What is that? Why? Number A to A. Yeah, I mean, makes sense if I need to indent, but the problem is how? How do you indent if tab doesn't work? Do I put spaces manually? No, close that. Oh, I can. And now I can just call main. Nice. Clear. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, this will probably be quite a short stream. Anyway, we need to get a few things done. By a few things, I mean Haskell. So is it case sensitive? Yes, it is. Okay. Next steps. Colon H. What is it? I mean help and commands available. Statement. Evaluate run. Colon. Repeat last command. Oh, wow. Multi-line command. Add module to current target set. Oh my god, so complex. Display names of names defined by module. CD. CMD complete. So for a particular input string. What? Ctags. Okay, loads. There's a lot of stuff. Show stuff. Here's guys. I mean, I have this. Wait, this Haskell playground. I can just do stuff in here. Okay, so where do we start actually? Like, where, what? I want to know how to use it. Like, I want to learn it as a language. That's what I want to know about. That's what I want to probably do with it. Oh my god, homework. Learn new Haskell, for great good. Make a function that adds two numbers. Okay, let's do that. Let's actually, here it would be better. Okay, this won't work, or will it? Done. What happens if I do strings in here? Oh, it won't work. But can I just do A plus B? No, I can't. I can concatenate it. Colon T plus. Do I have to put it in parentheses? I do. A function, I guess? Or what is this signature? It's an operator. ABC, is it an array? A, B, C. I mean, array of characters is a string. I guess that's the syntax. Cherry. And this is... Huh? What? Okay, so... Because of the noun, which is a constant, you can pass strings to it. Constraint, you can't, I guess, pass strings. Colon I. Wow, what is colon I? That's cool. I think there is something like that for .NET. Okay, so anyone gonna explain me what this means? Let me just yeah, but why are there two types? Wait. String. I guess uppercase string. Oh, it's just a type alias? Yeah. So why are there two lines? Type string colon asterisk and type string equals character. Can I do the same for char? Type char data char ghc.types.c#. What? Char hash. Type of a the type of a type is a kind Oh my god, what? The type of a so we say string is a type here. I don't really understand that. Okay, so I wanted to do end. I wanted to raise this, and so I can also do this, I guess. Yes, I can. I has a type of B. Oh, why is it prefixed with type then? So why is it prefixed with type? Type char colon asterisk. Or like, yes. Why is it? Uh, can't they just say char colon asterisk? Just syntax, I guess. Okay, so what's the type of add now? Is a function that has a generic, I guess? I still don't understand those arrows. Just wanted to check for a number. So what is that? What are those arrows? If we do an operator, is a syntax trigger for list in Haskell? What? How is this a list? If I think it's a generic, no? I feel like it's generic. And so I mean there are two arrows. There's not just one arrow. If this was a function, I'd say okay. So this is I guess this is a function. I guess because I made it a function. Then whatever is this, I guess it takes a generic type A, and it returns a function. Oh, it's called like I forgot what it's called. It returns a function that takes a generic type A and returns a type A. Currying, yeah. Why list of type A? Well, I still don't understand why is it why are you saying that this is a list? So if I say add AB equals A plus B and type add, then it stops being a list. If you're saying that this is a list, is a num A arrow is a constraint saying that A has to have a type class instance of num. Oh, slice type in Rust. That's how. I mean, I guess you mean that, but I still don't understand why is it like. Why is this a slice and this is not a slice? And where is this arrayness comes from? Oh, I can't talk. Really. So add this function, where. So I guess this is like a where clause in Rust. List A. So still, why is it a list? Oh wait, because concatenate operator is using a list, right? Concatenate operator requires a list. Makes sense. Okay, so this is like where A is num. We do basically the same thing. Okay. Yeah, it took me so much time to get. Okay, so where is learn yourself Haskell for good? It's an open source fork of the original learn US Haskell. Google Haskell org. What? What is that? Google Haskell org. I'm scared to open that. What is Google? Haskell API search engine. Oh my god. Search for Haskell libraries on stackage by either name, function name, or approximate type signature. Search map AB. Wow, that's cool. Search for plus plus. Plus plus is an operator. Yeah, sure. Okay, that's interesting. That's kind of funny. Oh wait, I can click that. It's gonna. Oh my god, it has a page. Well, not a page. A section in. Oh, it's a description of package base. Appends to list. IE, an example. Clicks. What? Source. We have a source code of this thing? What is that? Okay, so this has a type of this. No inline to give time for the rules. What? For ys. What is? So those are rules, I guess. Oh wait, what? Where did I go? Can I go back? Okay, back to this. It's called pattern. Yeah, I mean, I know. I kind of know it. Okay, so when it's called on an empty list, it returns whatever. What is that? X colon XS YS. Yeah, I mean, I kind of picked it up from Human's stream on OCaml. Well, he mentioned Haskell at some point. It's just X cons. Oh. Okay, so this way of implementing lists, I actually don't like it. Recursive lists. So X is the first element, XS is the rest. YS is X colon XS plus plus YS. What? X, I guess cons again. X has oh wait, operator precedence. Well, makes sense. Yeah, I guess. Okay, so this is a recursive function. Well, just like everything in Haskell, in functional languages. Anyway, I guess read it online for free. I guess we can skip that. Haskell is statically typed. Sure. Precedence of any operator with this with colon I. Is it like numeric? Let's just do this. Infix plus infixer plus 5 plus plus. So I guess this is the precedence. Oh my god. How bools are implemented. Okay, need to copy that. Infixer is infix right. Makes sense. I'll put that here. Oh, data. Where is it? Where is like bool colon colon? Hey. Okay, bool and is true. What? Okay, so bool equals false or true. Oh wait, makes sense. It's like a union type. C type HS bool. Is true int returns bool. Tag to enum. I mean, yeah, those are like annotations, or actually comments. I guess. I mean, this is like annotating. I mean, I understand what it means. It means something. Here it is a comment. But here it is like this has C type of HS bool. So under the hood, I guess this type is HS bool struct in C or whatever. Oh, so without hashes it's a comment, with hashes it's not. So here I guess it in lines is true. Well, I think it's actually like a so like kind of like a doc comment in Rust, but here it's not a doc, it's like attributes, I guess. Yeah, starting out. Okay, so we have that, we have math, floating point by default, self-explanatory. Yes, negative numbers, obviously. What? Oh, pragma. No, it's not. It makes total sense to me, honestly. um, so why is this? Oh my god. No, it did. Like this comment like thing did make sense to me a minute ago. Yeah, anyway, we probably need to get to using stuff. False and true, true and true, true and false, yes. It is, well, it is not a comment, but it is formatted in such a way that dump tools where comment is everything in between parentheses and dashes is counted as a comment for an LSP, for example. Like doc comment in Rust, why I said doc comment in Rust is it starts with two slashes. So dump LSP can ignore it, but it is three slashes. And you can't like you get a syntax error if you put it in the wrong place because it's actually a piece of a language. Yeah, I guess not really. Uh, why is not a word? Why is not an operator? And not an operator. Why is not a bang? Why is not a bang? Quality is done like so. Well, makes sense. Uh, or num string. Uh, that monad chess. Wait, Xmonad is the tiling or the tiling is a window manager now. Written in Haskell. I mean that's just well pragma as Twitch TD said before. That's like this is like a comment, but well, this is formatted similarly to a comment, so you can just ignore it. It's not really important. Language. I guess enable language features. Wow. Wind just opened everything. Yeah. We should continue probably. Well. You can't ignore those. Anyway. That, function prefix Code without any by writing function name and space and then parameters separated by spaces. Yay. What is suck? I mean this successor? It's like an iterator. Uh, changes the language. Is compiler version dependent? Mm. Okay, so that has a defined successor and as you can see, we just separate. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, carrying. Parentheses. Do have to do that. If you do your also one thing to try and maybe not understand but read about some crazy things about Haskell, laziness and monads. What is that? I mean, not that soon. I should still have about 1.5 hours or more. Okay, can't select. I don't like Godot's selection. It just works not. It doesn't work reliably enough. Okay, I mean, should probably keep it. Trades. Oh wait, TARDIS. I read it as trades. Anyway. Probably close that. Okay. It's successful. Right, because I mean, if you look closely, for some reason I can do stuff like this. Yeah, or even this. And I mean, I guess you can see why I have Godot open. Yeah. By the way, plushes you can look at redeems and you can write bank plushie and stuff. And you can control it yourself. Nigel, are you gonna get the score? To get a successor. Yeah. So operator precedence. This feels annoying, honestly. But also, I can consider the fact that best viewers go out. Go away. So yeah. Also, I would consider the fact that the plushie disappeared. I would consider the fact that Rust's ownership model was also annoying at the start. So yeah, there are add forces, move to, and also if you want to control plushes using clicks, you need to go to heat. In here it will be permissions, and you'll need to click grant in here. I said deny, no? Deny. Get rid of bots. Yeah. Anyway, baby's first function. Double me x plus x. Move to 0 0. Your plushie dispound. They only last like 30 seconds. And the thing here lasts like 60 seconds. We'll sing a basket. Which, by the way, we can play 2 baskets. We can have 2 baskets and play against each other. It's okay. You saw the lifetime management. I mean, yeah, lifetimes in Rust are hard. Double us, X, Y, double me, double me. Functions are obviously correct and combining them into more complex functions. Accounting work. Well, no, it's simple. You probably don't need to do complex stuff with lifetimes. 99% sure. If you have to do complex stuff with lifetimes, you're 99% of the cases you're just overcomplicating things or just not doing things the right way. And did I say if you need to write complex lifetimes in Haskell? I meant Rust. Anyway, we need to do Haskell now. If what is if ternary? A ternary function multiplies number by two, but only if the number is smaller or equal to 100, because number bigger than 100 are big enough as it is. Okay, so what do we do? Just x. Oh, then time systems and languages. Well, I mean, good question. Haskell is my second ever functional language after Nix. So I know Rust, I know Zig, I know all those classic languages, but functional is kind of new for me. And I was writing a blog post, that's why I actually need to get into it. Double or nothing. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Oh, wait, double or nothing? It should be nothing. Okay, so what if I say if x is less than 5? Then double else x x times 2. I have to do parentheses. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Anyway, there's Haskell's if statement. Else part is mandatory. Can you hear the whistle again? Wow. This is more experimental, but if you're interested in exploring functional languages, Idris. You don't hear birds? They're looking at me. Birds are sitting quiet, but the whistle is not birds. The whistle is something else. In GitHub. I also looked at Coca after QVman did. Purely functional programming language with first-class types. I mean, Orco was meant to have first-class stuff. Oh, obviously, I also know cast. Anyway, which is a functional language. Things still missing. Gaming. Can leave it, I guess. In here, double small numbers. Y plus 1. What? Had we omitted parentheses would be it would have added 1 only if x wasn't greater than at the end of the sentence name. That apostrophe doesn't have any special meaning. A valid character to use in the function? What? Must denote a strict version of a function. One that isn't lazy. Or a slight modified version of a function or a variable. Let's see things here. Can't begin with uppercase. Okay, yeah, I know. I know that annoying thing, I think. Because types begin with uppercase letter. I think. Doesn't take parameters. Function doesn't take any parameters. We usually say its definition. Say it definition or a name. Because we can't change what names. I don't know. Well, no. In the REPL I can. And enter to lists. Much like shopping list and skill are very useful. Shopping lists in the real world, are they really useful? Are they any useful? Most used data structure and can be used. Yeah, I already got that. Well, values, variables, and constants, I guess. There is no mutability, I think. A multitude of different ways to model and solve a whole bunch of problems. Basics of list strings and list comprehensions. Homogeneous, what does this mean? And now a list. Wow. To list together. Yeah, I mean, I already tried that. When repeatedly using the plus plus operator on long strings. Either two lists, append a singleton list to a list. For instance, internally Haskell has to walk through the whole list on the left side. Yeah. It's 50 million entries. Play Haskell org saved something. Haskell playground link, I guess. What is it? Fibonacci. Zip. Oh my god, what is that? Yeah, I guess that's lazy evaluation demonstrated. Guess what is that? Main put string. What does the dot mean? Okay, so show is just to print a list into a text variant, I guess. Const zip with it's gonna be something strange. Oh my god, what is that? It takes a function which and returns a function that Google or cool dot. Oh, I like this thing better. This takes a function and returns another function. What? Oh wait, no. This takes. Okay, so hold on. This takes two functions, B to C and A to B, and returns A to C. So it's like with plus. Yeah, I got it. Also, you've used lists of different lengths, which is interesting. Okay, so I can't really wrap my head around it. So this is the left side, this is the right side, right? So function on the left dot function on the right uh, is gonna be equivalent of, yeah, makes sense. It's gonna be basically equivalent of, I guess, well, not equivalent. F dot g equals backslash x. What does backslash x mean? Uh, I guess backslash x is like wait, lambda closure syntax. Oh my god, anonymous function. uh, what? Oh, yeah. So can we okay, so if I try uh okay, so let's try the previous example. um I wanna try something on it. Well, I mean, I can't really okay, so what I wanted to ask is can't we just create a function without a closure in a do statement? Can we do that? Or does do statement even return anything? uh yeah, anyway. um Mona. Stop saying those strange and complex words. Anyway, I guess let's continue reading. Her putting something at the beginning of the list using colon operator, after also called const operator, is instantaneous. Backticks, what? And why is my water so tastes so bad? One and two. I mean it works. What what are backticks? Let's just say add. I can't, I guess. Um do okay, I guess. Uh f turns any f into an infix function. Okay, I don't know what infix really means, but I guess what it does. Oh my god, the list is just a syntactic sugar. Oh no. It contains one empty list and serverless list. Three empty lists. Yeah. 3 minutes at, oh wow. I mean, they're set to like spaced apart for an hour. 3 minutes each hour. Yeah, I know. No. Yeah, I guess we'll wait. I think I like actually while ad is playing, you get an ad in here and like a small window of preview in here. At least that's how it was like at some point. Okay. Get an element out of a list by index. Oh my god, what is that? Bang bang. It's like indexing operator. Wait, was this a num or int? Oh, it was a num. Uh, his formats. 6 elements from a list. Don't have formats. Error. What error would it be? Index to large. Oh, exception. a panic. No, it's not a panic. It's an exception. I guess those are different. So this is like, yeah. Indexing starts from. What happens if I put -1 in here? Wait. Yeah, obviously. Negative index. Ooh. I don't know if it's possible. Okay, we'll wait for the ad to be done, because that's sad. Something's happening in chat and the ad is playing. Of index that returns maybe. I mean, like in Rust you have get. Okay, ads are done. Welcome back, everybody. Should I do something like freedom? Like, ads are playing. I turn this on, and we play basketball during an ad. Sub only. Like, freedom has words on stream for subs. Fun fact. In my country there is no ads on Twitch. You don't get an ad even if you're not a sub and don't have a Twitch Prime. So yeah, indexing operator, 6 elements from yeah. List can also contain lists. We already saw that in here. That contain lists. That contain lists. That contain lists. So if I understand correctly, 2, 3, 4. I mean, what would I expect from it? Honestly. Okay. Head is a function. It's basic functions. Head takes a list and returns head. Isn't it just okay? So head of 1, 2, 3 returns 1. Isn't it just what the name of H R H. I mean, I guess it's syntactic. Well, not syntactic sugar, just a built-in function. Tail. Oh, last. How is last implemented? Oh, can I just do? I mean, I don't think I can really. What do you mean? Head and last are pretty useful. I want to see how last is implemented. Does it just walk a list? I hope it doesn't walk a list, but I think it does. Last source. Fold L. What? Fold L lambda. And it returns a second argument. So yeah, it walks a list, I guess. So fold L is. Ooh, I can click KZ0XS. Oh my god, this. I'm not trying to understand this. No. Okay, let's get back to this. Tail last init. What? Thing accepts the last element. Like pop. Ooh, Mario vibes. Don't remember what this thing is called. Exception prelude head empty list. No monster doesn't have a head. Be careful. Length. I wonder how length looks inside. That's not what I wanted to open. I guess it's here. Yes it is. Len arc access 0. Okay, so an accumulator is a thing that takes a list and an int and returns int. Well, ignoring the carrying. An accumulator underscore ys. Okay, so it is Oh my god, yeah, the recursion just... I mean, the fact that it's inside just recursion, it's like Stack Overflow. I mean, not... Yeah, like, I feel recursion being heavy. That's why I don't really like it. What do you mean? What? Haskell stack, takes... What's up? GHC stack types Haskell stack. Null checks if the list is empty. Really? I mean, I also never saw it before today. But why does it have a call stack? I would actually think that it should not have a call stack or something. Should be like optimized to be using like loops in the assembly. This turns true. This turns false. Use function instead of access equals empty list. Probably so it can throw exceptions. Use a function instead of access equals empty list. I mean, does it just do this in the hood? Reverses the list. Takes a number and the list. So that's many. Yeah, makes sense. Just takes first n. Drop works in a similar way, only it drops a number of elements from the beginning of the list. Maximum, minimum, sum, product, lm, takes a thing and a list of things and tells us that the thing is an element of a list. It's usually called as an infix function because it's easier to read that way. What if I won't comply with this standard? Texas ranges. What? Texas ranges. What we want? List of all numbers between 1 and 20. I wanna get to lazy evaluation and stuff. And type classes. Sure, we could just type them all out, but obviously, yeah. Gentlemen who demand excellence for their program will use ranges. Numbers can be enumerated. Yeah. Characters can also be enumerated. The alphabet is an enumeration of characters from A to Z. Names can't be enumerated. What comes after the drone? You don't know, I know. But I'm not gonna tell you. To make a list containing all the natural numbers from 1 to 20, you can just write this. So can I strip out? Okay, so this is gonna crash. Oh wow. Out of all things, I would not expect it to just start printing it. What happens if I do? Okay, can I do like? That's sad. What happens if I just strip out the brackets? Can I? Is this an operator? It's not a syntactic. Is it not a syntactic sugar for something? No way. T. Num A in num A. What? What does this mean? It's a function. that takes a number, something that implements a number, I guess. Oh wait, no, it's not a function. Num enum. So a is a number, and a is an oh wait, enumerable, I guess. Makes sense. But no way this is not just a syntactic sugar. Uh, Ranges are cool because you can also specify a step. Yeah, it doesn't. It doesn't, that's the thing. Because you can have a list of stuff. What is the type of one? One is a... This is a function. Yeah, this is a function that returns a, where a is a type that implements num. Why? Why literals are just functions? I mean, kind of a generalization, but how would you implement it? Sin ranges because they're not completely precise by definition. Can some results. Some weird results. See, it's all pointers, Haskell. It's all functions. No, in C, it's not all pointers. Yeah, functions are function pointers. But that's how it is in assembly. Okay. Also take use ranges to make infinite lists and upper limit. Yeah. For now, let's examine how you'd get the first 24 multiples of 13. Sure, you could do. Wait, take 24, 13, 26. Okay, hold on. So, do you just specify yeah, you just specify first two elements. A handful of functions that produce. Oh my god, cycle. Takes a list and cycles it into an infinite list. Repeat takes in an element and produces an infinite list of just that element. Yeah, I guess it's syntactic sugar. It's simpler to just use a replicate function if you want some number of the same element in a list. I'm a list comprehension. Oh my god, what is that scary mathematical expression which is an image? If you ever taken a course in mathematics, you probably run into set comprehensions. No, I didn't. But I know what they are. They're normally used for building. Well, no, I assume what they are. Back from ad break. What? How much was this ad break since you wrote the message? Yeah, just out of curiosity, let me. Why I don't have? Where is settings? Where are my Twitch settings? Show. Where's like, where are timestamps? Yeah, but still, why are my timestamps not showing? Yeah. Anyway, should I do something like Freedom does for it during a net? For view, why do I have so many viewers right now? Is Haskell really that interesting? The part before the pipe is called the output function. Oh, wait, for set that contains the first 10 even natural numbers is. Okay, Haskell tutorial over time to make a demo window manager in Haskell. Do you think I should just go on and create something Exponent, yeah, is a thing. Should I just stop reading the tutorial and go on and try to make something? What would you think? What would you say? Um, inside thus. Now let's add a conditional predicate to that comprehension. Still need some familiarity. Remember to come back. Okay, so yeah, I still don't understand what this is. Comprehension. No, I don't know what a set comprehension is. Set is to time x where x is natural number. Set construction syntax. Oh, 10 even natural numbers. In math. In math is fine. It will make sense. Oh, so least comprehension is like where it's generator or something. Pipe is called the output function. X is a variable, n is the input set, and x is a predicate. Oh wow. It's like builder notation for sets. Welcome in Anshul XYZ. I don't know if I pronounce your name correctly. Set builder notation. Okay, I'm not gonna read probably. Try that in Haskell we could do something like here, but we didn't want doubles, or we didn't want doubles for the first 10 natural numbers. More complex functions. Yeah. Set comprehension. We'll stick to getting first 10 even numbers for now. The least comprehension we could use is x times 2, just like here. In x, where x is comes from. Oh my god. Hello Synclu. What are those names? I mean, it's not that hard to pronounce. Okay, so x is drawn from a range, and for every element, we get that element but doubled. Well, easy enough. Haskell. We're just learning Haskell. As you can see, we got the add a condition. Okay, so after a binding, we do comma. Oh my god. Well, yeah, that's like in Python. Yeah, I need to learn functional languages. This is like my first functional language, excluding Nix, obviously. That weeding out leads by predicate is also called filtering. I guess I guess there's a filter function. Syntax readme. Now for another example, let's say we want a comprehension that replaces each odd number greater than 10 with bang, and each odd number less than 10 with boom. Oh my god, what? This book is really old. Sidetracked. 2011. Wow. Should I read something newer? Okay, so what does can I actually take this task and try doing it myself? I'm not looking at the thing. Okay, so a function that replaces each odd number greater than 10 with bang, and each odd number less than 10 with boom. If the number isn't odd, we throw it out of the list. It's a comprehension set of fun. Yeah. So we're cool in 2011, but aren't cool after 16 years. So what do cool people use this time? let's see, field, my filter of access, I guess. So we say, let's look at the task again. Replace each odd number greater than 10 with bang and less than 10 with bool. It's greater than 10. Then in hmm, bang x arrow access is the condition. So I mean, I already spoiled that there's not function, I guess. It makes sense. Next steps are applicatives, monads, oh my god, what? Okay, so I guess we stop reading the book. Wait, what is that? Oh, several predicates. What is this operator? Slash equals. The Haskell. Oh, it not equals. It's not. Oh, makes sense. Okay, so you suggest me function definition syntax. I mean, function definition the syntax is just name, arguments, equals code. No, right? Wrong. Syntax and function. The type signature. Okay, get around types and type classes. Oh my god. The chapter will uncover some of Haskell's cool syntactic constructs. Read the type signature of your add function. Okay, so my add function. What is even my add function? Oh wait, here it is. Here it's the signature. Let's clear that and pretend I didn't read it. Clear. Okay, so my add signature of A and B was A plus B. So add, I guess, is a function. So first of all, it's a function that takes A and returns. So it's a function that takes A and returns a function. Use concrete types. Concrete types. Int. Okay, into the type. Okay, good. Playground. Let's say add a b equals a plus b. We can just print it, right? 1 and 2. So should still. No, we can't. Oh wait. Do we need to? So do we need to add a dot in here? Is it gonna work? Yeah, I mean type signature. But it's not gonna help it compile. Oh. Makes sense. What? To use explicit type signatures top level function on main is an IO monad, I guess. Is composition don't here. How can I just print an output of 1 to oh, here it is. Yeah, not in composition. Okay, so I print. It's gonna be something scary. No. A, where A is show and it returns an IO monad. I mean, I guess this is an IO monad. IO is parentheses, which is the same type as print strln. It takes a string and returns an IO monad, right? Strln. What? What? Oh, put. Is it put? I think you mean put. Yeah, it takes a string and returns an IO monad. Clear. Okay, so just doing function signatures. Oh my god, what is integral? I have to use concrete types in here. Printed is to show any type that can be converted to a string, but put a strlen requires you to use strings. Well, yeah, I got it. Print symbol. I guess print. Okay, so let me guess. Print is a function takes a and returns and uses print strln of show a. Is this it? A syntactic sugar that converts to prefix notation at compile time. You can use iternet variant reveal abc to 3 syntax dollar infix operator. Dollar add 1 to. What is a dollar operator? Again, I'm not really sure what infix means. I guess it's something you put in between two things. Dollar. Okay, so it takes a function and an argument and calls it. What? It's like a call a function. It's gonna work with multiple arguments though. Okay, so print is yeah, exactly what I said it is. Okay, so our time is coming to an end. Print backticks are infix. I mean, it is working. It's the same thing as this. It's just like Haskell has a lot of those dollar and dot which are fighting against operator precedence. So yeah, our time is coming to an end. I really have to end. So yeah, anyone to rate? Any suggestion? Synculum. Thank you for the follow. These functions, like, I mean, yeah, is there anyone doing Haskell? Just out of curiosity. Haskell. Can read this function. There's just like no my follows. Okay, no. Anyone doing compiler development? Just in case. I still have a compiler tag, yeah. Nope. Unfortunately. Okay, we can read this function. I don't even know what he's doing. doing work or playing games, and the category is just chatting. But I see playing games. Um, what's Haskell? Give me again. I guess we can just read.
Infinite Coder. Joined. Hey. Infinite Coder.
Oops.
What was that?
Oops, I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna ask the question once straight. Okay, so thanks everyone for joining. Goodbye. 5 viewers. Why so many?